Hello there, my name is Dale Wickens, and this is my video for my TLOS uh, final assessment. So, what is the value of the lesson that I have prepared? My lesson is about how to identify, how to choose healthy foods, and how to avoid choosing unhealthy foods. I think this is a very important skill for any human to have, especially in South Africa. South Africa does not have the healthiest diet. We like to eat fatty foods and we do like to eat processed foods. And this kind of diet can lead to some serious problems down the line. One shocking statistic is, and this is an old statistic from more than 10 years ago, is that 1 in every 5 deaths in South Africa is caused by a heart disease related death. And heart disease is something that is caused by a poor diet as well as poor exercise. But in my lesson, we're focusing on the diet part. So I thought, yeah, health has also become a global problem. Diseases like obesity and cancer and diabetes are on the rise, and these can all be avoided or mitigated through better food choices. So I decided to keep this topic very simple. It's a starting point as these kids are in grade 7, and I made it very easy for them simply to identify a whole food versus a processed food. If you can identify a food that's very processed, you can eliminate maybe 80% of unhealthy food right there and then, just from being able to distinguish um, of whole food versus a processed food. So it's a very simple and easy concept to understand, but it can be very impactful for a young student in helping them make healthier food choices, which will then lead them to have healthier lives. Healthier lives lead to better performance academically. It can also help them financially in the long run. If you're healthier, you don't have to be paying for the treatment of diseases like diabetes and cancer. Uh, yeah, so I think it's a very, very valuable lesson. In terms of the cooperative learning is very good. It's very intentional, structured group work. The cooperative learning, it gives students a chance to work together and to help each other to learn the topic, so they can learn from each other, they can help each other, and it also helps them, gives them the skill of working with others, achieving a goal together, which can lead to better citizens, and they can contribute to society in the long run. The cooperative learning technique that I have chosen for this lesson is student teams achievement division. So here the students will be divided into groups of 5, and they, after the content has been presented, they will be given a worksheet where they will answer some questions. They will identify some foods, whole versus processed, um, and they will answer some questions about food that they ate today. So I try to make it relevant. It's not something they're gonna do in one day in the future. It's something they can start doing literally right now. Think about the foods that you ate. Are they whole? Are they processed? Are they a good choice for your overall health? It's important to remember the group needs to be a wide array of students. Can be boys and girls, can be smart students and not so strong students all mixed together. The more diverse, the better. They will each get an individual mark, and those individual marks will be totaled to an average, and that whole group will then get the average mark. So it kind of puts a little pressure on them to perform. as every student's contribution will contribute to the grade of the group. Yeah, thank you very much.